So this part is very important. Being the state government employee, first time you will find that entertainment allowance computation will come. Basic we will assume per annum, dearness we will assume per annum, commission per annum, we will add all this. Medical expenditure, reimburse, again this is a new adjustment, came for the first time. And we have seen just now that up to 15,000 it will be allowed. Professional tax 16,3, car 20,000 fully taxable. Get me the total taxable income from salary for Mr. Goel. चलो, get me your answer, be quick dear students. ऐड करने को इतना टाइम लगता है? I can manually add 40 plus 15, 55 plus 10, 65 plus 4, 69 plus 10, 79 plus 2, 81 plus 20. मेरे को तो 1,01,000 आ रहा है. हाउ मच यू आर गेटिंग? देखो आगे आंसर देखो. यस, सिंपल था, इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स बना रहे हो. देन डिडक्शन 16,2 का डिडक्शन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ग्रॉस तो मुझे आ गया यार. नेट 94 इज रॉन्ग. 94,000 is wrong answer. Gross, everyone is right. Pratiksha, Gopika, Tirth, Ashish, Komal, Kajal, Priya, Mitesh, everyone is right. Net 39 could be the answer. I don't know. Let me see. देखते हैं. So again, you know, format is constant. ये लिखना ही पड़ेगा. Individual, resident, ordinary resident, PAN number, etc. etc. यहाँ तक तो हमने कर ही लिया. Very correct. Sorry, यहाँ पे 0 ये. Okay. This is the new calculation. Actual entertainment allowance received 4,000, 1/5 of the basic salary 8,000, and 5,000, whichever is low. Whichever is low. So lowest is 4,000. So 50 plus 4 plus 3. 50 plus 4 plus 3. Minus करो 1 lakh में 1 lakh 1000. 39 I think was the wrong answer. 39 है या 44 है? चेक करो जरा. Then इतना स्मॉल क्वेश्चन, इतना छोटा सा क्वेश्चन आप लोग एरर करते हो. नॉट गुड, नॉट गुड एट ऑल. चलो, डू इट फास्ट. विल गो फॉर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. बी क्विक. ओके, थैंक यू. Let us go to next. Again, very simple question. Question number 11. Yeah, here we are. So Mr. Pen Pusher retired from government service, government employee. Yeah? So everything will be exempted. On 30th September 2019. September means how much month ka he must have got the salary? April, May, June, July, August, September, 6 months. From 1st November, he joined as a superintendent of nursing home. So again, he has joined another company. So this salary will also be taxable, and government salary what he have got till the retirement will also be taxable. He furnishes following details. Okay. Basic 2,60,000. Again, it is given for 6 months, fully taxable. Entertainment allowance. So you have to compute entertainment allowance again like this. Just now you did. Why? Because he was a government employee. 16(2) में आएगा. First add करो, then this pension, that is commuted uncommuted pension, monthly pension for remaining 6 months, fully taxable. Leave salary, fully exempted. Why? Because he was a government employee. Gratuity, fully exempted. Why? He was a government employee. Yes or no? So 1010A exempted, 1010 exempted. Provident fund, provident fund, of course it is the statutory provident fund because he was working with government employee. So 1011, 1011 fully exempted. So everything is exempted for him. Why? Because he was a government employee. Why? Because he was a government employee. Commuted pension, lump sum, 1010AA, fully exempted. तो इसमें तो कुछ करना ही नहीं है, सब exempt ही हो जाएगा. Yes or no? So only 3 things to be added. And again 16(2) you have to compute. Let me see whether 16(2) आप compute कर पाते हैं कि नहीं. Get me your answer. Very simple. Simplest question. Why? Being the government employee, everything is exempted. Being the government employee, for him, everything was exempted. Under section 1010, under section 1010A, under section 1010AA. Thank you, Gopika, Payal, Tirth, Priya, Kajal. मुझे पता है gross could be the right one. Get me the net taxable salary जहां पे आप error कर रहे हो. Compute his entertainment allowance. Entertainment allowance जहां पे आप error कर रहे हो वो हम मुझे ढूंढ के बताइए आप लोग. पिछले क्वेश्चन में भी वही एरर किया था आप लोगों ने. How much will be exempted under section 16, subsection 2? चलो, thank you, Payal. Other can also participate. Okay. Sanya, Priya, everyone. Let us see whether these are right answers or not. So let us see. Absolutely correct. This all will be nil, nil, nil. मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला था. Okay. So let us check. 3,04,000 था क्या आप लोगों का आंसर? Yes. All of you were right. 3,04,000 तक तो सबका राइट है. देखो. Yes, this time you got me right answer of 16.2. Professional tax is not available. So 249 is the taxable income. Let me see 249 आया क्या? Yes, yes. ये किसने लाया 199 भाई? चेक करो जरा. गोपिका, your answer is wrong. Payal, Mitesh, you were right. Okay. Priya. So now again we will take up few questions, but for practice last questions are available. They are not up to the TY level, but for CA level, if you want, those are very important questions. So hardly one lecture is enough now to make you understand for gratuity and leave encashment, and then we will start with house property. Okay. Have you completed? Please complete it. Last minutes left. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next lecture.